Tired of Fortnite crashing mid-game costing you that victory royale? Let's dive into how to fix those frustrating crashes and get you back in the game. Starting with a crucial update: your graphics drivers. First off, locate your graphics card manufacturer's website, such as Nvidia or AMD. Find the driver download section, search for your specific graphics card model, and download the latest driver. Once downloaded, follow the installation prompts. This step is often the most important for stability. Next, ensure your game files are intact. Open the Epic Games launcher, navigate to your Fortnite library, locate the three dots next to Fortnite, and select the Verify option to check and repair any corrupted game files. Now, let's optimize your in-game graphics settings. Open Fortnite, go to the Settings menu, and adjust your graphics settings to match your system's capabilities. Consider lowering the visual quality presets. Specifically, try lowering settings like view distance, shadows, or effects. Experiment with different settings, looking for the sweet spot between performance and visual quality. You may have to disable features like ray tracing or reduce resolution. Finally, monitor your system's performance. Open your task manager during gameplay. Look at CPU and GPU usage. If either is consistently maxed out, that could potentially be the key reason for crash. These are just a few tips to help you fix those pesky crashes. Good luck.